Welcome back to Motor Empire 007. Today we are exploring the stunning, the aggressive, and the surprisingly versatile 2026 Honda CB300X, a machine that doesn't just sit in the entry-level adventure segment, it challenges what that segment even means. Imagine a bike that looks ready to conquer mountains, glide through highways, and still weave effortlessly through city traffic. That's exactly the kind of presence the CB300X brings the moment you lay your eyes on it. It's sharp, it's bold, and it carries that unmistakable adventure DNA, but with a modern twist that feels more premium than ever before. From the front, the redesigned LED headlamp cuts through the air with a futuristic vibe, almost like it's staring down the road ahead, daring you to push further. But this isn't just about looks. The 2026 version feels like a statement. Honda clearly understood that riders today want more than just a commuter. They want a lifestyle machine. And the CB300X delivers that balance beautifully. The tall stance, upright riding posture, and wide handlebars instantly make you feel in control. Whether you're navigating tight city streets or cruising on an open highway, the ergonomics just work. It feels natural, almost like the bike adapts to you instead of the other way around. Now let's talk about what's powering this beast. Underneath that aggressive styling sits a refined 300cc class engine that's been tuned for smoother delivery and stronger mid-range torque. This means when you twist the throttle, you're not just getting speed, you're getting usable power. The kind that helps you overtake with confidence, climb inclines without stress, and cruise comfortably without constantly shifting gears. It's not about being the fastest. It's about being the smartest in how it delivers performance. And that's where the magic really begins, because the CB300X isn't trying to be a full-blown off-road monster. Instead, it positions itself as a practical adventure companion. Light enough to handle daily rides, yet capable enough to handle rough patches when the road disappears. The suspension setup plays a huge role here. With longer travel and improved damping, it absorbs bumps like they're barely there. Speed breakers, potholes, uneven terrain. This bike just shrugs them off. What truly stands out in this 2026 model is how refined everything feels. The throttle response is smoother, vibrations are reduced, and the overall riding experience feels more premium than what you'd expect in this category. Even at higher speeds, the bike remains composed. There's a sense of stability that gives you confidence, especially on longer rides. And speaking of long rides, comfort is where this bike quietly shines. The seat has been redesigned for better support, making it ideal for extended journeys. You won't feel that fatigue creeping in after an hour or two. Pair that with the upright posture and well-placed foot pegs, and you've got a riding triangle that feels just right. It's the kind of setup that makes you want to keep riding, even when your destination is already behind you. Let's not ignore the tech side either, because Honda has stepped things up here. The digital display is sharper, more informative, and easier to read even under direct sunlight. It gives you everything you need: speed, gear position, fuel efficiency, trip data, all laid out in a clean and modern interface. Some variants even hint at smartphone connectivity, which adds a layer of convenience that today's riders appreciate. Braking performance is another area where the CB300X feels solid. With disc brakes on both ends and advanced ABS tuning, you get controlled stopping power without that nervous feeling. Whether you're braking hard on highways or easing into a stop in traffic, the response feels predictable and reassuring. Now here's something interesting. This bike isn't just for one type of rider. If you're a beginner, it's forgiving enough to help you build confidence. If you're an experienced rider, it offers enough character to keep things exciting. That's a rare balance, and it's one of the reasons why the CB300X stands out. And then comes the design philosophy. This bike doesn't scream for attention. It commands it. The sharp body panels, the muscular tank, the elevated stance. It all comes together to create a presence that feels bigger than its engine capacity suggests. It looks like a serious adventure machine, and that perception matters, especially for riders who want style along with substance. But let's be real for a moment. No bike is perfect. Some riders might wish for a bit more top-end power, especially on highways. Others might look for more off-road capability. But that's not what this bike is trying to be. It's not chasing extremes, it's mastering the middle ground. And in doing so, it becomes one of the most practical and enjoyable bikes in its class. Fuel efficiency is another strong point. Thanks to refined engineering, the CB300X manages to deliver impressive mileage without compromising performance. This makes it not just fun to ride, but also economical in the long run. And in today's world, that balance is more important than ever. One thing you'll notice as soon as you start riding is how light and manageable the bike feels. It doesn't intimidate you. Instead, it invites you. It encourages you to explore, to take that longer route, to say yes to spontaneous rides. And that's what a true adventure bike should do. It should inspire you. The tires provide solid grip on both paved roads and light off-road conditions. Combined with the suspension setup, they add to the overall confidence of the ride. You don't feel like you're constantly adjusting, you just ride. And let's not forget the sound. It's not overly aggressive, but it has a refined growl that reminds you there's power beneath you. It's subtle, but satisfying. As you spend more time with the CB300X, you start to realize something. It's not just a motorcycle, it's an experience. It's about the freedom it offers, the versatility it brings, and the confidence it builds. It's about those early morning rides when the roads are empty and the world feels like it belongs to you. It's about those long highway stretches where time slows down and every mile feels meaningful. This 2026 version doesn't try to reinvent the wheel. Instead, it refines what already worked and enhances it in ways that truly matter. It's smarter, smoother, and more polished. And that makes a difference. So if you're someone who wants a bike that can handle daily commutes, weekend getaways, and occasional adventures without breaking a sweat, the CB300X deserves your attention. It's not about extremes, it's about balance. And sometimes balance is exactly what you need. Because at the end of the day, the best bike isn't the one with the most power or the most features. It's the one that fits your life. And the 2026 Honda CB300X fits into more lives than you might expect. So the real question is, are you ready to explore beyond the ordinary?